Add and subtract using 10 into 10 grid.
I am Dora. This is my home. Isn't it huge? It has 100 rooms. Here, we are going to play a treasure hunt game along with my friend Lola with the help of clues. My mom has hidden a few gifts in some of the rooms. Let us find those rooms and grab the gifts. Hey Lola, I start from room 2. I added 10 to 2 to reach room 12. And I found the gift. Is there a shortcut? Of course. Follow me. We can jump up one row. A jump from 2 to 12 is like taking 10 steps. Now it's my turn to grab the gift. Now try one jump up from 14. 14 plus 10 is equal to 24.
How will I go from 22 to 41? Take one step to the left of 22, that is 21. Then take 2 jumps to reach 41. 2 jumps are equal to 20 steps.
Thank you, Lola, for helping me in grabbing the gifts. You are welcome, Dora. Hey, Dora. I have something more interesting for you. Really? Mom told me there are sweets hidden in some rooms. Let us find those rooms with the help of the clues given. How much is 10 less than 34? Is it taking one jump backward? Exactly. 34 minus 10 is 24. Yes, you found the room with sweets. Go and enjoy. Now it is my turn. Even I am craving to enjoy the sweets. Lola, how much is 20 less than 53? It's so simple, Dora. 20 less than 53 means taking 2 jumps backward from 53, that is 33. 2 jumps is equal to 20 steps. Wow! Here I found my favorite sweets. Let us enjoy.